In this lesson, we will learn about the single branch if statement. The structure of statements in programming can be categorized into three types: sequential, selection, and loop structures. Sequential structure is the simplest, most basic, and commonly used program structure in Java. It executes statements in the order they are written, one after the other. Assignments and input-output operations are typical examples of the sequential structure. Selection structure is similar to the if-else statement, where we can understand it as, if a condition is true, then do this. Otherwise, do that. Loop structure, on the other hand, keeps executing as long as a condition is satisfied. In real life, we often need to make judgments. Just like when driving to an intersection, we need to judge the traffic lights. Stop if it's red and go if it's green. When facing various choices in life, you must make decisions carefully and be willing to take responsibility for the consequences. Avoid being overly anxious and persevere until the end. Understand that in life, you cannot have everything at once, so never do anything that goes against your conscience or violates social ethics. There is a special type of statement called the selection structure statement, which involves making decisions based on certain conditions to determine which code block to execute. The select statement of Java can be divided into two types: if statement and switch statement. The if statement can be further classified into three categories. The first one is the basic if statement, which performs a specific action if a certain condition is met. This is commonly known as a single branch statement. The second type is the if-else statement, where a specific action is performed if a condition is met, and an alternative action is taken if the condition is not met. This is commonly known as a dual branch statement. The third type is the multiple if-else statement, used to evaluate multiple conditions and perform different actions accordingly. This is commonly known as a multi-branch statement. Let's start by introducing the single branch if statement. Let's take an example. If a person's age is below 18 years, we can determine that this person is a minor. We can describe this with the following pseudocode. If the age is below 18, then this person is a minor. If represents an assumption, being under 18 years old is the condition for evaluation. This person is a minor is the executable statement. We may express the content described above as, if the age is below 18, then this person is a minor. We can write it as, if age is less than 18, system out println this person is a minor. The age variable is used to store the age, and if the age is less than 18, it will output, this person is a minor. The syntax of the single branch if statement is as follows. Code block inside the curly braces will only be executed if the condition is true. The execution process of the single branch if statement is shown in the figure. If the expression is true, the code block will be executed. If the expression is false, the code block will not be executed. If the code block contains only one statement, we can omit the curly braces. Let's look at another example. Comparing two numbers A and B. If A is greater than B, we want to output the value of A is greater than B. We can achieve this using the if statement. In the main method, we declare two integer variables A and B and assign values to them. If A is greater than B, we output A's value is greater than B. Here, A equals 7 and B equals 6. Running the program will output A's value is greater than B. The incorrect description about the if selection structure in Java is: This concludes the content about the single branch if statement. I hope you can grasp it well.